Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Minnie, you're famous. So, oh gosh, I got to catch up on some videos. It is February the 17th, President's Day, Monday. Everything's closed except my chiropractor. Minnie, what do you think about that? Huh? So over the weekend, Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 and I went shopping, and we went to Whole Foods. We've got these 3-gallon plastic jugs that we use for water, and we've got some 5-gallon jugs too. So I brought 5 3-gallon plastic jugs, we call them, to Whole Foods to fill them up with water. You know what I'm going to say, right? So Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 goes shopping. I'm like, I'll take care of the water, hun. Fill up the first 3 gallons, put it in the cart. Fill up the second 3 gallons, put it in the cart. So on and so forth. So I take the 5th one, and I had to double stack it. So I turn around. So I've got it double stacked. 2 here, 2 here, and then 1 like in the middle of the cart. And Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 says, why don't you, she's like, oh, I forgot to get cheese, your Swiss cheese. I'll take care of the water. I'm done shopping. I only got a bag, 1 little bag, but yeah, go over to the butcher and get some cheese. So I hand off the cart to her that's full of water that's been paid for. So I go and get my Swiss cheese, and I turn around, and Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 is coming down the aisle, and she doesn't know that water is leaking out of the top 3-gallon jug all over the floor as she's pushing the cart behind her. And I'm like, yo, sweetheart, what are you doing? So all the water, well, about 3/4 of the water leaked out on the floor. They had to call maintenance to put like some sawdust. It was just a line like 30 yards long from the cashier over to the butcher where they sell, meat and cheese. But I'm like, well, okay, that's a great way to start the weekend. But, I've got more to say, but it'll be in another video. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, don't double stack your water when you go to Whole Foods, because you may find out the hard way it's going to get a crack in it. And you're going to have about 2 gallons, 2.25 gallons all over the floor. We need to clean up on aisle 4. Anyhow, love y'all. Bye-bye.